Hey, if you own a business and you need funding, but the banks are giving you the runaround, stop. I've got something better, faster, easier. And unlike most alternative lenders, we don't just offer one funding option. We get you access to over 20 of the top funding providers so that you always get the best deal. Let me guess. You need cash for your business, maybe to expand, maybe to cover payroll, maybe to take advantage of a big opportunity, some marketing campaign to scale your business. But when you go to the bank, they say, nope, sorry, just can't help you. They want collateral, they want 2 years in business, profitable 2 years, a perfect credit score, business plan. Then after all that, they still want you to wait 1 to 2 months for their decision. Meanwhile, your business needs funding now. So maybe you've already looked into alternative funding. Smart move. But here's the problem. Most alternative lenders only give you one offer, their own. And there's not one that's best for everybody. That means you're likely missing out on a better approval or a bigger offer or lower costs. That's where David Allen Capital and its Bank Breezy funding platform comes in. We're different. We launched this so we could get you not just one funding option, but we work with over 20 of the top alternative funders in the country. That means we do all the legwork for you so you don't have to waste time applying to over 20 places, but you get the best offer from over 20 places. Here's how it works. You fill out one simple 5-minute online application. You upload 3 months bank statements. That's it. We do a soft FICO credit score. We won't hurt your credit. Over 80% approval rate, far better than banks, and you can have funding in 1 to 2 days, not 2 months. We can get you generally up to 2 times your monthly revenue, which equals more cash, which can be more growth for your business. So we compare those 20 plus lenders to get the best offer for you. Let's say you're doing 20,000 a month in sales, maybe we'll get you 15 to 40K. Doing 100, maybe we'll get you 80 to 200,000 deposited tomorrow. Now here's the real question. How much is waiting actually costing you? Every day you put off funding is another day that you delay hiring that extra worker, that sales team, expanding that marketing campaign, stocking up on that inventory, launching that new marketplace. All of those could bring you thousands more in sales. So how many opportunities are you leaving on the table because you don't have the funding to implement them? As you know, business is about speed and execution. And if you have opportunities to grow your profits, you need the capital to act on it now before your competitors do. We've already helped thousands of businesses just like yours. That's how we started this company, to help people like you with fast, flexible funding to scale your business. And we're confident that we can get you the best deal, that we put our money where our mouth is. See, we say this, if we can't beat all offers out there, we'll give you a $500 Visa gift card. That's how sure we are that we'll get you the best funding offer available. So here's all you need to do. Click the Apply Now button. Fill out that 5-minute application. Upload those 3 months bank statements. And let's see what you qualify for. It's free. There's no obligation, no excuses, just real funding for real businesses and really fast. Best offer for you. Big businesses have always had access to cash. Now you do too. So apply now, get funding, and let's start scaling your business today.